How to convert USD to USDT in ByBit. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert USD to USDT in ByBit. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, make sure to download and install ByBit mobile app. Launch on a device. Log into your account. Now tap More at top right corner and choose Buy Crypto option from Buy Crypto section. You will land on this section. Now you simply need to tap on the top right corner currency and change it to USDT. And here you need to select the NPR button and again change it to USD. Open it and after that you have to enter the amount that you want to convert the USD to USDT. And now tap on the next button at bottom of the screen and you have to choose a payment method. And after that you need to tap on deposit option to complete the conversion. Once you have done that, you will successfully convert USD to USDT in ByBit. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.